Welcome, my friends. We are in the city of Dubai. I am now walking at the fountain by the mall, staying a short distance behind me. And this is one of the most beautiful places and cities I've ever been. Beautiful view of the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Some of the most some of the most friendly people in this city. The people here are great. You get the best of everything, the finest quality of everything you could ever want here. The best food, the best service, the best coffee. I mean, everything that I've had so far is amazing. But listen, we're doing some exploration tonight. We're gonna have some fun tonight. We're gonna go out. Right now, I'm just doing my Burj Khalifa walk here with the Burj Khalifa behind me. Just walking around this little fountain mall area with the Burj Khalifa. Can't get over the detail they have in this city. They keep this city very clean. There's not people trying to sell you stuff. There's not people harassing you and coming up to you and scaring you. And the city's very clean. People are very nice, but I just love the detail. There's a lot of detail to this city. The lights in the palm trees with the water behind me, the fountain. This place is a beautiful place. Very peaceful walk here in the dark. Don't have to worry about getting robbed. I was gonna stay here. I was gonna stay up there with the infinity pool, but the infinity pool was closed, so I didn't stay there. Maybe next time I'll stay there, we'll manifest it. Manifest more travel. We're gonna stay there. That's called the Address Sky View. It's the legendary building with the infinity pool. You swim out in the infinity pool and you see the Burj Khalifa view like I am above me. It's called Address Sky View. I was gonna stay there, but there was no point in staying there because right now it said the infinity pool is under maintenance, but we're gonna manifest and I'm gonna come back official, properly, you know, because I'm on another trip. I gotta go to Thailand after this. Getting hungry. I think I'm done walking. I'm gonna try to find some food real quick and then go somewhere and take an Uber somewhere. Burj Khalifa, baby.